Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. As you can see, my hair is actually still holding up for the most part from those curlers, but I am just ready to wash my hair. I am gonna be using this aloe vera gel on my hair, and it's supposed to be super moisturizing for skin normally, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a wash and go. So I wanted to come on here real quick because I'm about to wash my hair, and then I will be back when I'm ready to style it. Hey guys, so I'm back and I already washed my hair and everything. So real quick, a few things about this product is it is 99% aloe vera. I found this product on Amazon, which I will link it below if you're interested, if it turns out good. I'm just gonna be using this product alone just to see how well it works in my hair. Let's get started. Oh my gosh, I wasn't expecting it to come out that fast. I don't know how to describe the smell. It's not a strong smell. It almost doesn't smell like anything, but there is a hint of a smell there. Not good or bad. And you can tell that this is like very natural because if you can see that, it's like very, like the texture, like clumpy texture of aloe. Okay, I can get a better sense of the smell now, and it definitely smells like aloe. Like it smells like you're putting plant in your hair. Okay, so far, my hair seems really moisturized and defined. So this actually might turn out pretty good. All right, so my hair is fully saturated with this aloe vera gel and it's looking pretty good. It actually feels like it kept putting moisture in my hair. So my hair definitely feels very moisturized and I'm excited to see how this turns out. I hope it turns out good. One thing, the consistency, it's like a little like, it's not thick, it's not thin, it's like slightly watery. So I'm wondering if that will cause my hair to dry fast or not. We'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this air dry and I will be back with the final results. Okay, so I am back with the results and honestly, I don't mind, like there is some definition there. Here, it's all frizzy at the top of my head, and then there's like little frizz balls that somehow I didn't get product on, which I could have sworn, like I'm just making it worse. I could have sworn I got product throughout all of my hair, but there's little areas like that that are frizzy, and I don't like that. So the definition, it's all right. The feel, like my hair feels so dry, like so dry. I definitely don't feel the moisture in my hair. You can see there's like flakes on the shirt from the gel. So that's not cute. If we're being honest and realistic about the product, this product is not meant for hair. So there is that. But would I use it on my hair again? The answer is no, I would not. It could be the product that I got. Maybe there's other ones that could work better on hair. Or maybe if I were to add a leave-in. But the fact that it like flakes, I don't like that. The fact that it leaves my hair feeling dry, I don't like that. The fact that there's like frizz and not the good kind of frizz, like just undone hair. Like, I don't like that. Like, I'm telling you guys, I saturated my hair with that stuff, and still there's like areas throughout that kind of have that. So I don't like that. You could see right here too. It's not cute. So if I'm gonna have flakes and dryness, it's not worth it. Yeah, no. If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, you might as well hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.